we're going back into the evil black hole that is TikTok. I'm actually scared this time around because I went on TikTok once last week to watch one video, and that becomes 5 and 10 and 11, and the next thing you know, I've been stuck there for like 2 hours straight. Kinda like my last marriage with my ex-husband, Mike Bagholder. So today, we're going down the rabbit hole once again to react to trading and investing advice on TikTok. Hopefully this time around I get to come back alive with my soul. We had a lot of fun last time around and you guys told me that you loved it, so I figured, especially when the entire market has been kind of a bummer, we all could use some laughs right now. As you already know, I'm very against chatroom alerts or buy and sell signals. And nowadays, that's what all the cool kids are doing on TikTok. Flexing with those rented Lamborghinis and giving advice on the next stocks or cryptos that is going to the moon. The irony is, nothing is going to the moon in this kind of market, except for Elon Musk's Twitter subscribers. I've never seen any of today's TikTok videos, so I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's get started right now. Make sure to destroy the like button just like so. And subscribe to see more videos like these in the future. I'm actually scared. Okay. Please don't be too loud. Please, like, no, even last time was so loud.
I declare bankruptcy!
That's me every single morning. I wake up, I see a sea of red on my screen. I'm just like, dear diary, I'm bankrupt once again. And I didn't know I can go bankrupt more than one time. Okay. This guy again. Oh my god, I love this guy.
Oh, I've been living since these labels out to get me. The only reason they won't.
I think that's him. That's him in real life trying to smash those bids and short the market down. That's what happens. They are literally teenagers making more than their parents by copying and pasting my trades. I don't think so. Oh my god! I didn't know day trading can make you have a seizure. Holy crap! That was me in my first year. Good times. For me, it was more like I was like be on the edge of the table and just like watch the tickers. And then like when it goes down, I'd be really, really scared. I'd cover my eyes, thinking that if I cover my eyes, then that must not be real, right? And at the end, it was tank. So anyways, that's how I usually lose my money, by covering my eyes. I like this guy. I like how this person thinks. Unrealized, bro. You good. They haven't realized it yet. Passive outcome. Oh man. You're right. As long as it's unrealized, you just keep holding and holding and holding, and eventually it'll go back up. Hopefully in like maybe 3 years. If it's a large cap stocks, they are likely to go back up. But if it's like the small cap stocks or the mid caps or stocks that have really bad fundamentals and bad cash balance sheets, most of them don't come back up.
Bankruptcy!
Hold on, you can see the license plate. Somebody go run a license plate check. That's probably a rental. Because if it's a personal car, they're gonna blur out the license plate numbers.
Simple.
So simple. Simple. I can do it too. Where's my iPhone? Where's my iPhone? Where is it? Come on, Steve Jobs. Well, I mean, Tim Cook. Steve Jobs did.
When the stocks are high, okay, and I like to see when they're low. That's the big thing.
Interesting.
And sometimes they're really high. Sometimes they're very high, the stocks. That's when you
high.
want. Yeah. That's when you want to sell, when they're very high.
Woo.
You buy them when they're down very low. Yeah. I mean, I have graphs. I have some graphs I can show you. If you pay attention to these patterns here, you can.
Pro tip, I think it's fine if you want to learn about stocks and investing on TikTok, but don't learn dating advice on TikTok, okay? Or else you'll be like me.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Okay.
Hey,
This guy turned to 0.5K into 1.2 million.
Man, excited for the group. Small account gains, but I think your gains, have been the highlight.
Yeah, I just ended the day about 1.2 million.
It all started from 2,500
Yeah, all started from 2,500.
in less than 3 weeks, right?
Yeah.
Well, congrats, man. That's
Thanks,
an
man.
amazing, life-changing story.
Yeah, that's me too. Trust me, bro. I did that too. Turned $2,000 into $2 million in 1 week. Come on, people.
The stock market will never make you rich. I promise you that no matter what you think, whatever strategy you deploy, you're not going to get rich by investing in the stock market. And have you ever heard of someone who became rich by doing so?
Yeah, I have. What? What are you talking about?
Instead, you need to have a better investment vehicle like real estate or building your own business. If you think you're going to get rich from the stock market, run the numbers, take the compounding interest, and you can check out and you can see
That the number checks out. Yes, you can invest in the stock market consistently over a period of time and have some exponential returns. I'm not saying he's completely wrong because sure, like if you invest in just the index, you probably get average returns. But even the average return, let's just say it's 7% a year, compounded over 20, 30 years, that's still substantial. And remember, you're still contributing and investing, every couple of months with your income, what's left over from your income. Anytime you see the word easy, it should you should see like a red flag. And nothing is ever easy. I've learned many different strategies. Some didn't work for me and some has worked really well for me. None of the strategies are ever easy to learn. That's the reason I don't ever trade just based on candlestick patterns. You're seeing only one side of the market. You're seeing one factor when in reality, when you are actually trading with an edge, you need fundamental catalysts. You need to know the price action history of the stock. You need to know about the market environment. You need to know about the float, the market cap, the institutional ownership. There's just so much more than just looking at the pattern and just buy when you see this pattern. So I think out of those picks, I agree with most of it, like Apple, Alphabet, Tesla, even Bitcoin. Like I hold some Bitcoin. I don't know about PayPal. I feel like there's so many other business models that's similar or better than PayPal. Someone's calling me. Oh no, it's my ex-husband calling me.
This one simple strategy.
Simple! Okay, simple is okay. Simple and easy are not the same thing, right? Easy means it's very easy to do. And simple means it's not easy, but it's simple to understand. I'm ESL, okay? You probably get that by now, okay? But simple and easy are not the same. Just go Google it.
Can make you huge gains trading.
Huge gains!
Once you see it enter, then you're gonna exit the trade once the RSI becomes overbought. For a short trade, wait for price to be below the Super Ichi cloud, wait for a breakout signal, enter, then exit once the RSI is oversold.
Here's the thing. It looks very clear and perfect in hindsight. But when you're trading in real time, the stock is over this RSI whatever number. But it's below now 2 minutes later. It's above it now 10 minutes later. But kind of like what we talked about earlier about trading strategies, it needs to have layers. So sure, maybe that one set of indicator can be one of the layers, but you need to take into consideration other things too, about the stock, fundamentals, or market conditions, blah, 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 blah. So This, I would call this the one simple strategy to lose your money. Hey, this guy said it, I didn't say it. Okay, I'm just gonna watch it again. I feel bad for not listening to him talk. Yeah, I didn't change my mind. I still feel the same way. Okay, but at least I tried. Okay. Good, nice job. $265,000 trading stocks. It's okay. In the grand scheme of things, having a high tax bill means you made a lot of money. So in the grand scheme of things, it's okay, right? Think about it. Would you rather, make $200,000 and have to pay $70,000 in taxes, or make $40,000 and only have to pay $10,000 in taxes? At least right here in Canada, yes, we have a pretty high tax rate, but I do genuinely feel like the taxes I pay are going to some things. Not all the things I'd like to see. I would like to see free Lamborghinis for everyone, but if you want to enjoy, the nice, facilities you have, the public transit, what else is there? The public transit and the bike lanes. Honestly, what else am I paying my taxes for? And we did it! We survived another round of TikTok reactions. You can now follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And no, I do not have multiple accounts for each social media. Okay, so if you get some weirdo trying to be me messaging you about crypto or they're gonna trade for you, that's a scam. Please report and block those fake accounts. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. I'm the Humble Trader, and I will see you guys next time.